Hi, my name is Harrison Rainwater and I work with the Houk real estate team. I'm excited to tell you about our new construction neighborhood Tiger Bend trails that we have. Located at the corner of Tiger Bend and Antioch, across from the Shenandoah South Animal Hospital. We currently have 5 3-bedroom, 2-bath units completed, available with their own unique floor plans. We have 7 homes currently under construction and 23 lots waiting for your custom home to be built. 2-story, 4-bedroom floor plans are also available. We hold open houses every Wednesday from 4 to 6 p.m. as well as Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4. Come check out our model home, walk through the different floor plans, and find your next home in Tiger Bend Trails.